Hey everyone! Today, while our cruise ship docks in St. Martin, we're gonna hit the beach. And we're gonna do it for a fraction of the price of what our cruise line would charge us, so that we could go at our own pace and at our own price.
It's day 5. We're at St. Martin. It's kind of late. It's like 1 o'clock. So let's go to the beach.
Getting off the ship and into St. Martin is super quick because we don't have to take any tender boats. We just step directly off the ship and onto the dock, where we can immediately see our destination across the water, the beautiful Great Bay Beach. Now, Great Bay Beach is less than 2 miles from the port and a little bit more than 30 minutes of a walk away. Since I wanted to spend as much time at the beach as possible, we decided to go by taxi. Making our way to the taxi area is very straightforward. We just follow the long dock down to the shops and follow signs for the taxi. As you can see, a lot of cruisers are already heading back to the ship. But since we didn't book an excursion, we're able to go at our own leisurely pace. We don't have any schedule to follow. We can walk to the shops, stop for photos, and take in the sights, like this St. Martin sign. All the taxis here appear to be vans or minivans, which are great for families or large parties. For $3 a person, we were able to get in, sit back, and relax for our 8-minute drive to Great Bay Beach.
We made it out to Great Bay Beach. It is beautiful. It's a little more crowded than Sapphire Beach was yesterday, but you can see the ship is just right there. This beach is like a nice long strip of beach. Look, let me get my flamingo out of the way. Pro tip, always bring a floaty. Always bring a floaty on vacation. They're the best and they take up almost no space. It's a nice long strip of beach that kind of goes all the way across. So a lot of people from the cruise ship are here, but there's plenty of beach chairs available for rent for everybody. And a pro tip, when people offer you a price for the beach chairs, hold out a little bit for a better price. We started out getting quoted 2 beach chairs and 1 umbrella for $25, and eventually got to 4 beach chairs and 2 umbrellas for $20. So just be a little patient and you can get a little bit of a better price. But it's really nice. They set you up beautifully and then you can just enjoy the beach. The water's really clear, it's really warm. There's definitely a lot of people from the cruise here. You can tell by everyone having the same beach towels. There's a lot of bars and little restaurants and stuff if you get hungry or thirsty.
Speaking of food and drinks, there's a strip of cafes, bars, and shops right behind the beach. You can walk directly from your beach lounger to food or shopping. Once you get here, you pretty much don't have to travel for anything. Everything's right there at your fingertips.
Definitely recommend Great Bay Beach, really close to the cruise port. The ship is right there. Lovely way to enjoy the day, much more affordable than one of their excursions, which I think is like $35 a person just to get out to the beach. This is much more enjoyable. It's on your own time and it's just much more flexible. Put that savings toward drinks and just a great beach.
Booking an excursion for this beach would have cost around $35 per person, $140 total for a group of 4. And they don't even feed you. By doing it ourselves, we spent a total of just $44. That's a 70% savings that you can enjoy elsewhere on your vacation. If you want to venture a little farther out for just slightly higher cab fare, St. Martin has plenty of other beaches to choose from. Little Bay Beach is just a little bit past Great Bay Beach and only $2 more per person for a cab ride. The photos and reviews look awesome. And you'll still be able to see your cruise ship from that beach. To the north side of the island and just a bit more cab fare, there's also Grand Case, about 25 minutes away. Basically, St. Maarten has plenty of beaches to offer you. So how does one get back to the ship after a lovely day at the beach? It's easy. Simply walk back to the road and a taxi driver will spot you and offer you a ride back. This gentleman finds us instantly, and before we know it, we are back on the ship where we can hop into a nice hot shower and be ready in time for a wonderful meal on the cruise. Are there other beaches in St. Maarten that you'd like to recommend? Drop a comment below and share your travel wisdom with us. Thanks for watching!